Hey Peaches! Welcome to this ultimate guide filled with beauty hacks for teens to help you glow inside and out. Being a teen is such an exciting time. It's all about discovering your style, embracing your unique beauty, and learning fun ways to enhance your natural charm. But let's be real. Between school, social life, and activities, you don't always have hours to spare on a beauty routine. That's where these quick, affordable, and easy hacks come to the rescue. Get rid of blackheads naturally. What you need: baking soda and water. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with water to make a paste. Apply it to your nose or blackhead-prone areas, massage gently for a minute, and rinse with warm water. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant and balances skin pH. Use it once a week to avoid over-drying your skin. Dealing with oily skin. What you need: blotting paper or DIY rice paper. Gently press blotting paper or thin rice paper on oily areas like the T-zone. Keep a pack of blotting paper in your bag for quick touch-ups during the day. Sunburn relief. Aloe vera gel, preferably fresh. Apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel to the affected areas. Store it in the fridge beforehand for a cooling effect. Acne-soothing ice cubes. Green tea. Brew green tea, pour it into an ice cube tray, and freeze. Rub the cubes over acne-prone areas to reduce redness and inflammation. Shiny hair with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar and water. After shampooing, rinse your hair with a mix of 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1 cup water. Leave it on for a minute, then rinse. It restores your hair's natural pH balance, reduces frizz, and adds shine. Quick fix for greasy hair. Baby powder or dry shampoo. Sprinkle baby powder onto your roots, wait a minute, and brush it out thoroughly. Use cornstarch if you prefer a natural alternative. DIY hair mask for dry hair. 1 mashed banana, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Mix ingredients, apply to your hair from roots to tips, and leave for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. DIY tinted moisturizer. Your regular moisturizer and a bit of foundation or BB cream. Mix them in a 1-to-1 ratio for a lightweight, natural finish. Longer-lasting lip color. Lipstick and translucent powder. Apply lipstick, blot with tissue, and lightly dab translucent powder over your lips for a matte, long-lasting finish. Perfect winged eyeliner. A piece of tape. Place the tape diagonally from the corner of your eye to the edge of your eyebrow. Use the edge of the tape as a guide for your eyeliner. Whiter teeth with baking soda. Baking soda and lemon juice. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply to your teeth with a toothbrush. Leave for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse. Caution: use this hack sparingly, once every 2 weeks, to avoid damaging enamel. Smell fresh all day. Essential oil and water. Mix a few drops of essential oil, like lavender or citrus, with water in a small spray bottle. Use it as a natural perfume. Soft feet overnight. Petroleum jelly or a thick moisturizer, and socks. Apply a generous layer of moisturizer to your feet before bed. Wear socks, and wake up to softer skin. Pro tips for every teen: beauty sleep. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you rest. Eat right. Include fruits, veggies, and omega-3 rich foods like walnuts or salmon in your diet for healthier skin and hair. Stay consistent. Skincare and beauty hacks work best when done regularly. And there you have it. Your ultimate collection of beauty hacks tailored just for you. Whether you're tackling a bad hair day, dealing with a sudden breakout, or just looking for fun ways to experiment with your look, these tips are here to make your life easier and prettier. Remember, beauty isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel. Confidence, kindness, and self-care are your most powerful accessories. So take these hacks, make them your own, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of expressing your unique beauty. If you ever need more tips, tutorials, or advice, I'm just a message away. Go ahead, shine like the star you are. With love, your beauty cheerleader.